on, guys? It's Chris at iRepairDr, and I know it's been a little while since I made a video, but nothing really interesting is getting through the shop. It's just same old phones. But I did have something really interesting today. I started working on this Samsung Galaxy S7 that somebody brought in, and then I realized once I started pulling the back off that it's not just a regular Samsung Galaxy S7 that needed a screen. So let me show you real quick. Okay, at first glance, this Galaxy looks pretty normal. I mean, looking at it, it looks like a normal phone. Nothing really special about it. Check out the frame. Nothing looks too out of the ordinary here. Just a Galaxy S7. But once you open it up, that's where everything changes. I got the IMEI covered here. So if you look up here at the top, that's where you see somebody resoldered the camera sideways and then put it coming out the top next to the SIM tray. Somebody that did this did pretty damn good work. I just never seen anybody modify the front camera, because that's what's missing, to look out the top of the phone. So if you lay it down, it seemed like the camera will work. So what I want to do is put the new screen on there, power it on, test the cameras, test the phone, make sure everything's working. I'm not really sure who this guy is or anything. Didn't tell me anything special about the phone. So just opening it kind of threw me off a little bit. But let me get it fixed. All right, here's with the back plates off. It looks like the camera is the only thing that's been modified so far that I can tell. Everything down here looks the same. So yeah, that's that camera. So odd. Once I pull the screen off, we'll be able to see that a little bit better. Okay, with the front screen off, you can really kind of see what they did here. They really cut out the front of the screen to get that camera in there, because the camera is actually, it's turned sideways too. It would normally be turned 180. So it must just film in landscape the entire time. But I think the phone would have something to do with the orientation. I'm not really sure. I think the phone's orientation might not make that record the right way, but I guess it would depend on how it was started. So yeah, there's that camera in there. Somebody did a pretty damn good job though. All right, let's finish putting it together. All right, so I got the phone finished, but what I did notice that I didn't say anything about is they actually blacked out the front camera. They put it like a Sharpie or something. I tried to copy it, but I didn't realize it until I was too late. So with it all being said and done, we get the new back on. Doesn't really fit well up here because obviously the camera's in the way, and on the front side of the screen it's a little up. So let's power this bad boy up and see what it does. I mean, the screen looks pretty good. A lot of glass on my table. See, it has a no passcode. No apps open, but it turns sideways, which is weird. All right, let's check out them cameras. All right, right away we can see it's on that weird camera, the one that's facing the wrong direction. Well, the modified camera, I guess. Let's see if it goes to the back one. All right, there's the back camera. There's my light, my ceiling. So strange. So yeah, I guess it works. It defaults sideways, it looks like. I don't know. It goes sideways once you turn it. But for some reason that goes sideways and you can't straighten it out. Oh well. If this video is interesting to you, please like and subscribe. And what do you think I should ask this guy when he comes to pick it up? Because he didn't tell me anything special about this phone, and obviously this phone isn't just your normal average S7. So leave a comment in the comment section on what you think I should tell this guy or ask him. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe. And for more interesting videos, we'll be back soon. Later.